Nabawi na ba? Three-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head. And throwing in the power. He's got the oxygen on. He's pointing to his head. I'm not quite sure if he felt.
Isang bagitong Pinoy boxer na naman ang nagwagi kontra sa pambato ng Japan. Sa pinakabrutal na pamamaraan ay nabugbog talaga ng gusto ang bato-bato at napakatibay na Hapon na kalaban. Nag-agaw buhay at stretcher ang inabot nito sa ating kababayan. Halos hindi na makilala ang kanyang muka pagkatapos ng laban. Si Reggie Suganov ay ang tinaguri ang The Filipino Phenom ng Philippine Boxing. Nagmula sa bayan ng Dawis, lalawigan ng Bohol ang ating bida at pagsasaka rin ang tangi kinabubuhay ng kanyang pamilya. Kaya bata pa lamang, batak na sa trabaho ang ating bida. Natural ang lakas at talento ng ating boksingero. Grabe din ang pagsisikap sa training ng ating pambato. Kaya naging kampiyon siya sa WBO Global Light Flyweight Division matapos talunin ang pambato ng Venezuela. Ang veteranong si Ronald Chacon ay inisi fight lang ng ating bida. Araw ng Martes, April 30, taong 2024 sa Holy Name University Gymnasium, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Idinaos ng PMI Bohol Boxing Stable ang isa sa pinakamalaking laban ni Reggie Suganov. Makakaharap niya ang isang bato-batong knockout artist ng Japan. Si Kai Ishizawa ay may halimaw na kartada, 11 panalo, 10 sa mga ito ay pinatulog niya sa ibabaw ng lona, habang may 14 na panalo at 4 sa pamamagitan ng KO ang kartada ng ating pambato. Dedepensahan ng ating kababayan ng kampyonato ng WBO Global Light Flyweight Division, habang gigil naman ang Hapon na maagaw ang kampyonato na hawak ng ating pambato. Round number 1, maliksi ang Hapon na kalaban pero hindi naman nagpatalo ang ating kababayan. Nakuha niya agad ang estilo at distansya ng Hapon na kalaban.
Thing that Suganov has to be very careful of. Suganov suffered his finas. That was against Sivanati Lotshinga. And so dito po sa round number 1, medyo nagkakapaan pa sila. Sir Stylist, and he is a power hitter, but now he's displaying some power. 4-punch call. Very young Luisito Espinosa, the way he's built. And the half flyweight division is where the most championships have been taken by Filipinos. By our unofficial scorecard, Suganov is leading in this round. Ishizawa absorbing some punishment. That's a left hook to the head. More shots to the head coming from late sit.
Sa round number 2, umiepekto na ang lakas ng kamao ng ating pambato. Napapaatras na dito ang Hapon na boksingero.
Reggie Suganov versus Kai Ishizawa of Japan. Some connections there. Medyo shaken po. Ito si Ishizawa. Ishizawa, which could be a good idea against a taller fighter. Tanda po natin that Ishizawa only a shade. Suganov has now tasted how powerful those punches can be. Better defense actually here for Ishizawa. Closer round, but it's still.
Round number 3, nanggigil na ang Hapon na boksingero. Gusto niya makabawi sa ating pambato pero sinalubong lang siya ng mga suntok ng ating boksingero.
So far in our unofficial scorecard has taken the first 2 rounds. You look at the records, Ishizawa of course out of his 11 wins, 10 wins coming by way of knockout. Coming from Ishizawa. Shot to the body once again. Every time magpakawala ng isa. Ito si Suganov, and around the ring of course. And a round that really hasn't turned much in terms of Ishizawa now.
Sa round number 4, ganun pa rin ang senaryo. Bugbog sarado pa rin ang Hapon na boksingero. Sugod pa rin siya ng sugod, kaya lagi siyang sinasalubong ng suntok ni Reggie Suganov.
He's being a little careless with his defense day here for the Japanese fighter. But again, the game plan, and Ishizawa's not taking it. His opponent to move forward. Medyo sumandal doon, lumatagal. And oops, 40 seconds remaining here. And this time Ishizawa says, bring it on. Another. Kino-kontra-tempo niya talaga. Ito si Ishizawa. Every time Ishizawa tries to reload, Suganov is in his face.
Round number 5, nag-umpisa ng mamaga ang mukha at mata ng Hapon na kalaban. Kahit naduguan na dito dahil sa headbutt ang ating kababayan, patuloy pa rin siyang nakipaglaban.
For the past couple of days. And now some stand-up fighting will end. In 2017, itong si Bong Sakon. Paglakyog. Crowd here a little concerned about seeing the presence of blood on the face of their home. Buti na lang, it's not above the eyebrow. Let's not impair your vision. So far, Ishizawa is actually doing well until that curve ito. Another jab coming in for the Japanese. A lot of misses here for Suganov. Round number 6.
Sa round number 6, grabe na mga pinsala ng dalawang naglalaban. Ayaw talaga sumuko ng Hapon na kalaban kahit palagi siyang natatamaan ng ating kababayan.
Kampiyon dito, si Suganov of the Philippines absorbing from his Japanese opponent. Sure. At the start, that uppercut goes through.
Sobrang dugu-dugo na dito ang ulo ng ating kababayan dahil sa headbutt na kanyang natamo sa kalaban.
Neutral corner time here, and it looks like the doctor will be brought in for the first time. Etong sugat niya, broken nose, not knowing that it was a broken nose. Tapdasan, and we are back to bring you the rest of round number 6. Suddenly, bumuhos na naman si Suganov.
Round number 7, biglang sumugod ang Hapon na kalaban. Punterya na dito ang dago ang ulo ng ating kababayan. Grabe na ang palitan ng suntok ng dalawang naglalaban.
Moment. The wound is not a factor anymore. If you're just joining us, meron pong sugat na natamo. Etong si Reggie Suganov, as coming from Suganov, who tries to push him back to the middle of the ring. Now Suganov's reach advantage. Ishizawa looks like the first 5 rounds were just a testing. And he did suffer that knockout loss against Masataka Taniguchi. Nauunahan na po. Reach advantage has been totally negated. Suganov was so accurate in the first 3 rounds, now he can't.
Sa round number 8, dito natatapusin ang ating pambato, ang paghihirap ng Hapon na boksingero. 2 beses babagsak ang Japan sa kamay ng ating kababayan.
Oh! Ishizawa got staggered there by the left hook coming from Suganov. And another one! Ishizawa is down! Osha! The blood is coming out of Suganov's head, and Ishizawa smells the blood, wants to get it back. Oh, great right coming from Ishizawa. Napatras na si Suganov. Ishizawa missing, less than a minute remaining here. Sent Suganov backwards. Nakabawi na ba? 3-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head. And throwing in the towel. The side of Ishizawa. It's over.
Sa sobrang lala ng pinsala na natamo ng Hapon na kalaban, kinailangan niyang isakay sa stretcher dahil sobra na siyang nalamog sa laban. Lantang gulay na lumabas sa ring ang Hapon na kalaban. Si Reggie Suganov ay may napakalaking puso. Kahit na napakalaki ng kanyang sugat sa ulo, hindi siya basta-basta sumuko. Lahing Pinoy, dugong palaban, yan ang pinamalas ng ating kababayan.